What is going on today, guys? This is Justin, and today we are doing an unboxing of a Miracase Liquid Silicone iPhone 12 Pro case. This was a sample. I have a few samples that were sent to me. Really appreciate the people over at Miracase sending me some samples to do some reviews and to check out. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let's get right into it. You guys can probably hear my case here. Excuse me, my keys. But anyways, really excited. I like to try new cases out, see how they work on my phone, things like that. So once again, guys, this is Miracase. It says it right there on the label, but let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. If I can actually open this. So it looks like we got a pretty good seal on the case there. And we bring it out, and there we go. So guys, we got our usual on the back. We have some kind of just description of the case. You guys have seen this before, I'm assuming. So it looks like we have here fashionable and elegant protective case for your mobile phone. Perfectly fit and easy to control. Good material guarantee. The quality provides full protection. So as far as good material guarantee, guys, I'm actually going to put that to the test in this. I'm going to use the case for about a week, see how I like about it, see what I like about it, and see if I like it before I give you guys the full review. But it is saying that there is, yeah, cool. So there's some good material on here, and it's saying that it's going to last for a long time. So this is just the unboxing, guys, and I did want to say that because I am going to be doing a full review on this case. I really like reviewing iPhone cases just because I'm kind of particular about what iPhone case I use. And okay, yep, I like this. So this is kind of a good feel in the hand. It's kind of like that rubbery, smooth, similar to the Apple one, but this is definitely going to be a little bit on the cheaper side, meaning literally on the less inexpensive side. So as we can see, it's a light, nice navy blue here, authentic. I'm going to try to focus the camera here so you guys can see that. And then it looks like it's going to be just like that. We got our cutout for the sleep wake button. Then we got our cutout for the mute and volume switch here. We got the mute and volume switch, trying to get the camera to actually focus on that. And we actually got the volume rocker here to control the volume. So it looks like it's a perfect cutout. I do have the 6.1-inch display iPhone 12 Pro, so this is going to be perfect for that. And it is a nice blue. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get the light to be a little bit different, but it's a nice blue. It's almost not too dark, but not too light. It's like an elegant, authentic navy blue. Feels good in the hand. And then we got our Miracase logo right there. So definitely got to keep that in mind. And so there we go, guys. Yeah, we'll do a review shortly. So anyways, guys, that is the unboxing of the liquid silicone case. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and see what this actually looks like in the phone. I know you guys are here to kind of see whether or not you should buy it and how it looks and things like that. What did I just do here? What the heck happened? Cool. So anyways, guys, we put it in here, and it has this cool navy look to it. Ooh, I'm glad I picked the navy blue. This looks great. So I definitely really like the look of this case. Feels protective. You guys can see that there's a lip over the camera, which I'm actually a huge fan of. I'm going to actually zoom in on that. Not zoom in, but kind of give you guys a really good look at what that looks like. So there's actually a pretty big camera bump over the camera, meaning a camera protector. So there's actually not a protector. What I mean by that is there's actually a lip here that's going over the camera bump, so that when you put it down, it doesn't get bothered. And it also looks like there's actually a lip, if we look closely on the front, so that when you put it down, ooh, so when we put it down, it definitely has that nice look to it. And we're definitely going to want to focus on that because I like putting my phone down so that I don't get distracted when I'm working on some important things. So anyways, guys, that is the Miracase liquid silicone case by Miracase. I know I've said that a few times, but I just want to make sure you guys understand. And this is the navy blue color. I believe there is a few other colors. There's a black, and then there's a green. I think there's a pink and a purple. I went with the navy because I'm a pretty big blue guy, and this just looks sharp. So as you guys can see, there's actually no logo on the back. So it's just kind of a very nice, stylish, sexy, elegant look. So anyways, guys, that's it, and we'll see you next time. All right, see ya.